Okay, so in order to convert ammonium sulfide from compounds to grams, we're going to go through the process of finding compounds to moles, which is using Avogadro's number, then moles to grams using the molar mass. So we already know our Avogadro's number, which is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd, and that's going to be compounds, which is equal to 1 mole. So in order to find the molar mass, we're going to break down the elements in the compound. So for nitrogen, we're going to have 14.01, that's our atomic number on the periodic table, and it's going to be multiplied by 2 because there's a 2 on the outside. And then for our next element, we're going to have hydrogen, which is 1.01, and that's going to be multiplied by 8 because there's a 4 and the 2. Then for sulfur, we're going to have, it's going to be 32.07. So then doing the multiplication, we have 28 for nitrogen, 28.02, hydrogen 8.08, and then for sulfur 32.07. And then we're going to do the addition first. 68.17 grams per mole. So that's our final answer for our molar mass. So now that we're going to add that to our little box of conversions. So now that we have our conversions, we're going to do the dimensional analysis. We're going to start with what's given, which is 4.08 times 10 to the 24th compounds. In order to get rid of compounds, we're going to use our first conversion, which is Avogadro's number. So 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd compounds. And that's going to be equal to 1 mole. So then the compounds cross out. So now we need to get rid of the moles. So 1 mole is equal to our 68.17 grams. So then moles are going to cancel out. So here's our dimension analysis. So now we have to do the math. So we're going to do 4.08 E24 divided by 6.022 E23, and that's going to be multiplied by 68.17. That's going to give us 461.86. Oh, we're still not done because we have to count our sig figs. So for the first number, 3 sig figs, 4, and then another 4. So we're going to go with the lowest, which is 3. So that means that we're going to have to round our number to 462 for 3 sig figs grams. There we go.